Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch phones on Mint Mobile. Now before we begin, there are some things you want to make sure you have done. You want to make sure you have backed up your current phone to basically ensure that all your important stuff is saved. Okay? And also you need to make sure that your new phone is actually compatible with Mint Mobile. And if you didn't buy your new phone directly from Mint, make sure it's actually unlocked so you can go ahead and do the transfer process. And you need to connect both your phones to Wi-Fi. Now, this is what you need to do. You need to go ahead and download and install the Mint Mobile app onto your new phone and go ahead and log into your account. Okay? Then you need to select account in the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you see the change device option. Go ahead and click on that and then choose get a eSIM. And then you want to confirm you're on your new phone by tapping this is my new device. And then in the purchase summary screen, you want to go ahead and do the checkout process. And when basically the service interruption warning appears, make sure that you're actually connected to Wi-Fi and select I am connected to Wi-Fi. And you'll be asked to enter the SMS code that will be sent to your phone. Just go ahead and type it and tap on continue. And once the replacement SIM is processed and marked as successful, you want to just go ahead and tap continue to install your new eSIM into your new phone. Then just go ahead and select install eSIM, follow the remaining on-screen instructions, and now you can enjoy the Mint service on your new phone. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.